Friends, it's a good idea to see if Windows 11 is compatible with your PC. As a result, we set up it on VirtualBox. All you need is the VirtualBox app and an ISO file for Windows 11. The download link is included in the description. To begin, double-click the .exe file to install the VirtualBox. Simply follow the instructions one by one. Finish by clicking the Finish button. Click on New to begin the process of creating an operating system. Give the name Windows 11. There is no option for Windows 11 in the version section, so simply select Windows 10 and press the Next button. You must select the memory size here. It's a good idea to give 4 GB of RAM. Adjust the size to around 4096 MB and then click Next. Greater than now, select a hard disk location and enough space for it. It requires 20 GB of storage space. Let's give it 50 GB and hit the Create button. Then go to Settings and select the storage option. Then, click on the empty icon and select a disk file. Here, you must select the ISO setup file and click OK. Then, click the Start button, and the setup will begin. Choose your language and time zone, then press the Next button. Finally, click the Install Now button. It will prompt you for a product key. However, select the I don't have a product key option and continue. All versions of Windows 11 are available, but I recommend that you install Windows 11 Pro. Select it and then press the Next button. Accept the terms and conditions, then click the Next button. Selects the custom type of installation, and then clicks Next once more. Here is Windows 11 for your enjoyment. If you find it useful, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. Thank you for watching video.